Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about botnets, which are considered as the fuel for cyber crime. In this we are going to learn about what is a botnet in detail, how botnets are created for the gainful purpose of cyber criminals, and how they make a normal system into a zombie system, and how to protect from not becoming a zombie system or a victim for a botnet. Let's get into the topic. Explain how botnets can be used as a fuel to the cyber crimes. Okay, so the botnets are famously known as the fuel for the cyber crime. So we will be seeing why they are called as a fuel for the cyber crimes. Now botnet, it is a combination of two words, robot and a network. Simply we can define a bot as an automated program for doing some particular tasks, often over a network. It is a collection of software robots that run autonomously and automatically. One can gain the control of your computer by infecting them with a virus or the other malicious code that give the access. Now simply we can say that a cyber criminal will be there. He will be infecting a group of systems by injecting some virus into their systems, and he will be accessing those computers. Now let us see how the botnet looks like. See, this diagram illustrates the botnet. See, there will be a bot master. Now this bot master is an attacker, right? Now he is the main attacker. Now he will be having two systems, that is command and control servers. These are called the command and control servers. These two are called, not only two, they may have a group of command and control servers. Now using this command and control servers, what he will be doing is that he will be infecting a group of computers. Now that computers are called bots. Now this infected computers, they will be used in order to perform the cyber crimes. Now using these servers, they will be controlling these bots. So what type of crimes they have to do? They will be injecting into this bot. Now this is called a botnet. So this is a network of bots. So now the bot is nothing but whatever the bot we are saying here, it is no normal computer, but it is a normal computer for the user, but the attacker will use it as will be using it for the cybercrime activities, but the user is unaware of it. So already in the distributed denial of service in the 4th unit, right, we have seen what is meant by a zombie computer, right? Now zombie computer is an infected computer which is used to do some illegal activities. So botnet, you can call it as a zombie army, or you can call it as a zombie net. So botnet is a network of computers infected with a malicious program that allows cyber criminals to control the infected machines remotely without users' knowledge. Now why the criminals will be going for the botnet is, through the botnets they can perform n number of cyber crimes. So by that cyber crimes they can get a high income, and it is low maintenance. See, they are using someone other's computer, right? They are not buying the machines on their own, but they are using the machines of someone. So it is very low maintenance of it. Low maintenance. So that is the botnet. The botnet is becoming a fuel for the cyber crimes. Now for the see, this is a botnet creation. See, what happened is that someone will be creating a botnet. Now botnet, it is nothing but a malicious program to perform some of the illegal activities. So there will be a botnet creation, and then there will be a botnet renting. So someone does not have much amount, right, in order to buy the botnets. What they will be doing is that they will be renting the botnets, and the botnets can also be used for selling. So this botnet renting and botnet selling, what all the activities involved it is, they does distributed denial of service attacks, spam attacks, malware and adware installation, spam dexing, phishing attacks, stealing confidential information. Now in the stealing confidential information, they can be selling the data regarding the credit cards and bank account details. They will be selling personal identity information. They will be selling internet services and shops account like your IP addresses, all those things. Now why these botnets are that? Now for example, someone has to send spam messages, but he does not have a computer knowledge, or we can say he does not have a much technical knowledge. So he has to take the help of someone. So what happened? He will be going for the botnets available in the marketing. Now that botnet, the botnet renter, what he will be doing is that he will be performing the spam activities on behalf of the criminal. That is the thing. Or someone wants to steal someone wants some credit card details and bank account details. So what they will happen, he does not have that much technical knowledge in order to hack the bank's website or bank's database. So what he will be doing, he will be approaching the botnets. So the criminals, what they will be doing, they will be creating the botnets, and they might be selling the botnets, or they might be renting the botnets. Now another best example is that someone wants to replicate a website. Okay, someone wants to create a duplicate website. So what happened? If he has the knowledge of creating the website, he will be creating the own duplicate website. But if he does not have a knowledge, he will be going and he will be approaching the botnet. So the main thing or the main agenda of botnet is to take the control of individual systems and infect them in order to create the bot network. So each and every individual should follow some ways, or should follow some protection rules in order to not be a victim of a botnet. So what they have to do is that first and foremost thing is you have to use antivirus and anti-spyware software, and you have to keep it up to date. And next one is that install the updates. Now once we have installed an operating system, set the operating system to download and install the security patches automatically. Next one, it is use firewalls. Now use a firewall to protect the system from hacking attacks while it is connected on the internet. And next one is always disconnect your internet when it is not in use. And next one, it is don't trust the free downloads. Now downloading the freeware, you have to download the freewares only from the websites that are known and trustworthy. Next one is check regularly your inbox and sent items. So what happened is that already we have discussed, they might use your systems for your spam for sending you spam messages. So he might have used your system to send some messages to the other person. So always you have to check the sent items, so that if you find something odd, like you did not send a message, right, but it has there in your sent items, so that you can detect that you are infected by the bot. That's the reason why check regularly the folders in the mailbox, send items or outgoing for those messages you did not send. Next one, take an immediate action if your system is infected. Now, for example, if you find that your system is infected with a virus, or your system is infected with your unauthorized access, so immediately what you have to do is that disconnect your network, yes, and do the antivirus update and inform to your internet service provider regarding this unauthorized access, and if possible file a complaint or take a legal action. So this is the way we can protect us from the botnet. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.